Hey nom noms, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fabulous and feeling fabulous. Anyways, today I'm doing a tutorial on how to actually do fluffy bars. I have never done them. Let's hope it goes well. Anyways, before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notifications bell, especially if you guys are new and you'd like to come back. By clicking the notifications bell, you're reminded every time I post a video. How good is that? Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, so let's go. here is my attempt on a fluffy brow. Okay, so one thing I should say is, if you've got bushy brows like myself, it's a blessing and a curse, because the thickness of the brows and the bushiness of the brows will help you, because the definition of the fluffiness will be perfect. You know, you can achieve it, unlike if maybe, let's say for example, you had little hair on your brows. With little hair on your brows, what you would have needed to do is to actually put more. You saw in the beginning you'd have to put more lines, but the lines have to go up to create that definition of fluffiness, right? The curse is that it's going to be vague. Like, your brow is going to be humongous. The size of your brow is going to be humongous. As you saw, like right at the end, I was struggling a bit to try and decrease the size so that I don't have brows going into my forehead. So that's the downside of it, is the fact that your brow, because you are not now shaping your brow right like you normally do when you're creating a normal brow, where you literally almost push the hairs to the side. You're literally pushing them up, so all the length of the brow shows. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. As you can see, fluffy brows do not need to be dark. They don't need to have too much product, because that also, because they'll become bigger in size, it's just going to look too dramatic. So as you saw, like, I didn't put too much product as in the eye pencil itself. I literally just used what I could to just brush it and distribute it throughout the brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to complete this look, but I'm not going to complete it here. If you want to see the completed look, please go and watch my video on IGTV. I will leave my Instagram handle right down below so that you guys can check out the final look, because I will continue with this look. Love you, nom noms. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notifications bell button right next to the subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000. Bye.